I'm Mario. I'm the co-founder of IndexGPT. IndexGPT is a Shopify app that helps store owners show up and get recommended by AI assistants. And AI assistants, I'm talking about ChatGPT, Mistral, Perplexity, Claude, Gemini, all of those. More and more people start searching for our service. We noticed that at the start, people were having the idea, yes, maybe ChatGPT, Gemini, AI is going to be the future of search. Now everybody is certain of it. It's no longer an idea that's in the air, it's becoming reality. And so generating a report that was accurate and easy to understand was for me the most important. And that's how I came to find SEOptimer. The reports were very easy to generate, they were quick, and they were straight to the point, which was exactly what I wanted. I could also choose exactly what sections I wanted to show on the report, so then I could adapt to the client that I had in front of me. If I had a client that was in the marketing department, he was well versed in SEO, then I could generate a more complex report. If I had a client that was a solopreneur doing everything by themselves, then I could focus on the simple elements that will have an impact, the impact that we want on the store. And so this flexibility made me a customer of SEOptimer for several months. In the meantime, our business, IndexGPT, has developed a lot. We had an incredible growth in the last few months. And so we felt the necessity of generating these reports en masse. And SEOptimer was again able to provide with their API service. In addition to this, we also use the API of SEOptimer in another way. We use them in a tool that we've built that has over 50 data points and is oriented toward AI search. Is a report that our clients can generate. This report not only tells them what we found that needs to be fixed if they want to get recommended on AI, but it also tells them how to fix it and where we found the issue. And so in order to generate this report, which uses a lot of AI agents, it mixes several techniques, and we also have some of the information coming from SEOptimer. And this was just to connect to the idea that SEOptimer also does this well, because your reports are not only focused on what's being done wrong, on what's not working, it also shows the positive. So it's great for a store to generate a report and receive a B plus or an A. It's not only an F or a D or a C or whatever. And so this can be encouraging. Of course, most people are perfectionists, so they want always the A or they always want the better grades. How many times do I use SEOptimer on average? Before I was using it daily, if not daily, weekly, because I was having meetings every day with our clients. I wanted to understand their pain points, I wanted to help them develop their own SEO, and I wanted to be close to the clients. This was in the initial phase that I was developing IndexGPT. In this phase, I needed a report in hand. I needed a PDF report that I could send to our clients so that they could follow up from our call. In this phase, I would go to SEOptimer's website, I would generate the reports, I would share with the client before the meeting, then I would go through it with them, and then they could follow up on their own. Nowadays, I don't do this anymore because our system is automatized. We use the API, and the API generates. I was checking the numbers a while ago, and yesterday we generated over 50 reports. Clients go to IndexGPT, they go to our report section, and then they can generate reports that print out the PDF, and then they can follow through with it. So we're generating about, I would say, 30 to 50 reports like this every day. So I would say it's pretty useful. LLMS.txt, index now, LLM outreach, we have prompt tracking, we have several tools. And among those tools, we also have these reports. And some of these reports are powered by SEOptimer. And so with this report, they can get all the data they need, they can get it quickly, and they can have the information in their hands by a very affordable price, which is included in our monthly subscription. I would say individual clients, companies, merchants, anyone who wants to take their SEO seriously should generate a report and start working on it. The sooner you start working on your business, the sooner you're gonna start reaping the profits of it. And SEO is a game that should be attacked as early on as possible in your journey in e-commerce or in any other business, because it's gonna just keep on giving.